This is Romeo, and he's about 4 years old. He's rescued from a shelter in New Jersey. This is actually his second time doing this show, so he's kind of a newbie, still learning the ropes. Our other friend is Chico, the Chihuahua, also from New Jersey. He actually originated the role of Bruiser on Broadway, so he's a very seasoned professional. Romeo likes to sleep all day long. He has to be woken up for his cues. Anybody could have adopted him from the pound, and yet he wasn't adopted, so we got him. Chihuahuas like to bark, so Chico got the role because he can shut up, and we had to teach him the command for stop barking. And I've only worked with Chico for 2 years, so he was already trained. All of the dogs are rescued from kill shelters, most of them, on death row. Medical conditions, so like he had bad eyes.
I have a completely brilliant plan! What you want is warmer, what you want is me. But you need to see me in a private domain. Now this plane is warmer in a different setting. You will see your dad and all of his close.
You saved their life, and you can show people just by doing what they do on stage that, every dog is trainable to some aspect, whether it's to be a couch potato or to be a Broadway star. Every dog out there should have a loving